So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer a question: how long does it take to learn options trading the right way? So this is a tough one because I know there's a lot of options trading education out there, and I would like to tell you that it takes literally no time at all to learn how to trade options, but it's just not the truth. You can't learn how to trade options overnight, and you certainly can't learn how to trade options at a weekend or a multi-day seminar or boot camp. It's just not going to get ingrained into your mind, and you're not going to understand and really believe in the concepts in that short amount of time, as much cramming as you try to get in. So I think that options trading is truly probably a 6 to 8 week process to learn. I think there's concepts that you have to master, and you have to give your subconscious and conscious mind time to basically absorb and learn some of these concepts and methodologies, the terminology that is required to be successful as an options trader. So some people might catch things and learn at a much faster pace, and some people it might take a little bit longer. But I think somewhere around 6 to 8 weeks is probably about as long as you need to really master some of the big rocks and main components. Now, I can truly tell you that it'll take much longer to master the intricate details of options trading that might come after a course of a couple of years or even a decade or so in this business. I truly am learning new things about the market all the time, and new things about option strategies or different ways at looking at options pricing, or how options pricing has evolved in different market environments and situations. That's always a constant and ever evolving path for me. But I think understanding the core concepts, the core methodology and foundation of options trading really probably takes about 6 to 8 weeks. So luckily for you and for many people who listen to this podcast, we've basically laid out that entire process on our website through the tracks and certification program, so that you can basically go through this at the right pace and in the right order. And again, all totally free at Option Alpha. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.